friends. Today we are going to be going over these 4 letter sounds. We'll start with the letter W. The name of this letter is W. The letter sound is W, W, like a window. Ready? Do it with me. W window, W, 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 W. W window, W, 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 W. This letter right here is X. Say it with me, X. The letter X makes the sound X, X. Say it with me, ready? X, X-ray, X, 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 X. Take that X-ray, X, X-ray, X, 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 X. This is the letter Y. Y makes the sound Y, Y, like in yarn. Ready? Say it with me. Y yarn, Y, 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 Y. Roll up that ball of yarn. Y, Y yarn, Y, 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 Y. And then the last one is Z. Z is for zebra. Ready? Say it with me. Z, zebra, Z. Put on your zebra stripes. Z, Z, Z. Z, zebra, Z. Z, Z, Z. Awesome. Now it's your turn. Make your video of you doing the letter sounds for me. Say them exactly the way we practiced. Have fun.
Super reader does whatever a reader can. Reads a word any size, reads that word before your eyes. Look out, here comes a super reader.